there, this is Marissa. I have today a layout in my traveler's notebook. I'm using the Good Life November bundle from Pixel Scrapper. I printed all these things out at home and I cut the elements out using a pair of scissors. And now I'm just going to enjoy playing around with all the little bits and pieces. Here I'm starting out, I picked out a piece of paper for the left side in the background. I'm just sticking that down, trimming the edges before I get too far ahead of myself, organizing things on the left side. I'm going to back this paper with this gingham paper. This is a photo from when my parents visited us here in Santa Cruz in June, I guess, so a few months ago. I think before I get I've got everything nicely laid out there, and then I'm like, oh, maybe I should put a photo in there, a piece of paper in the background. So now I'm going to take everything off and stick this rather dark piece of paper in the background. Okay, so now we're in business to actually put things down and stick them down. There I've done a little stapling. Oh, and I'm just going to cut out that inside part on the F, which is very noticeable on the dark background. I didn't bother, you can see, to cut out all the little pieces on the family. It didn't bother me quite as much on the white background, but on the dark background it was pretty noticeable. So now it's just a matter of sticking things down and then filling in any little bits and pieces. I'm going to put this little tag on the bottom, and then I'm going to spend a very long time looking for a stamp that I can put in that little area there. First I'm going to pull out my little envelope of stamps, but I don't find quite the right size there, so then I end up with this roller stamp. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up down below, and if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.